Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the chart background color on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to TradingView, and as you can see, the background color is white. So go to the gear icon here at the top right, click on it, then go to Canvas. We have here a background and we have solid, we have white. Click on it and you can change it to any color you want. So I will choose, for example, this color, as you can see, or this color. Okay, I think that you get the idea. We have also here solid, you can change it to gradient and you will have two colors. So I will choose, for example, this color and white, or this color and red. Okay, or you can use another option. You can go to the top left, click on it, and you can enable the dark theme. Click on yes, and you will see the dark theme here. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.